I thought I was actually recording, but yeah. So this tree uprooted. You see how the butterfly is mounted in there. It's like a pack next to it. I wouldn't be battery pack of some sort. Yeah, my freaking cats are on fire today. So, um, I had off yesterday from the gym, and I took care of some stuff, and I cleaned up. What else I do? Cleaned up, cooked, and relaxed, basically. Yeah, my legs started hurting like toward like the afternoon area. Last time I was at the gym, I think I did freaking legs, and the machine that I kick out my legs on, that shit, I was like, ooh, fuck. Like, it felt good, but I'm like, wait a minute. I actually did my 3 full sets this time on there. Yeah, that's why I'm sore now. Yeah. So my legs are like, yeah, you had your break yesterday, but the pain just didn't settle in until like later on yesterday afternoon. We're just kicking it in today. I'm like, oh, all right, screw that, because I like to enjoy my workout. So I'd rather go through the obstacles of nature right now and walk, because you see, with the terrain that you're walking on, what happens is your body has to, acclimate itself with all the freaking ups and downs and hills and bumps and roots and shit. So since my calves are burning, because I did my 3 full sets this time instead of cutting it short, because it gets strenuous, I was able to actually do it. So now I'm listening and I'm just walking it out.